Today we gave ourselves just $500 to see what kind of PC setup we can build using only what we can grab at Micro Center. From CPUs to graphics cards to coolers. Let's see what we can do. We hit the aisles hard, hunting for the best bang for our buck. We knew we'd have to make some sacrifices, but we still wanted a setup that could handle gaming at 1080p and everyday use. Building on a budget means every part needs to pull its weight. We kept it pretty simple, but we made sure it's clean and functional, and it'll play pretty much anything in 1080p.
Two hours later.
So it's a moment of truth. Hit the button, power on, RGB lights, let's go. Not bad for 500 bucks. Let's give it a test and see what she can really do. So for just under $500, this little beast holds up surprisingly well in 2025. It should play pretty much any game in 1080p, medium to high settings. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, guys. Really appreciate you.